there's a recent paper in Cell magazine that by a group from Stanford, so that's about as gold star as you can get, uh, that shows that the RNA in human lymph nodes sticks around for at least 60 days. They didn't test beyond that. The whole original idea of RNA for vaccines and RNA for gene therapy was this transient gene therapy, because regular RNA doesn't last very long. It sticks around for maybe an hour. But now we know with this pseudouridine in the RNAs, they're acting more like DNA or even hyperstabilized single-strand DNA. Regular single-strand DNA doesn't stick around in cells very long. It's notoriously unstable. But these synthetic RNAs are staying in people's bodies for at least 60 days, producing spike protein at levels far in excess of what is produced by the natural infection. That protein is circulating in the plasma. This is all documented in that Cell paper. So people ask the question, well, isn't the side effects the same with the vaccine, or maybe less than with the virus? And why, if not, why? Well, that doesn't make any sense. Well, now we know that these RNAs are extremely long-lived. They're nothing like regular RNA. They're not even like single-stranded DNA. They're completely synthetic. The lipid component that's being used is a synthetic compound that your body has never seen before, and which, by the way, goes to your ovaries. And I like to point out that when you have your girl, should you choose to have a baby, she'll be born with all the eggs she'll ever have in her ovaries.
Yes.
So these lipids go to the ovary preferentially relative to the testis. I mean, it's just a whole bunch of things that we're learning more and more about. But this should have been tested well before the world was jabbed with this stuff. And so I'm hit often with the, well, why, Dr. Malone, if this is your technology, you're speaking out? And the answer is because it's the right thing to do.